The PC-12NG is the latest offering from Pilatus, and it has gained a reputation for its versatility, performance, reliability, and flexibility to become one of the most popular turbine-powered business aircraft on the market today. We are excited to receive a demonstration of the next generation Pilatus from Regional Sales Director Don Peterson.
The company itself started making airplanes in 1939. The development of the Pilatus PC-12 itself started in the late 80s, early 90s, and first year of production was 1995. It's manufactured in Stans, Switzerland, which is a small town south of Lake Lucerne. We're up to, I think, around 1,200 plus aircraft worldwide flying around.
The PC-12 is operated around the world in a wide range of missions and profiles, including executive transport, cargo, air ambulance, airline, law enforcement, and government special mission applications.
What you're going to be able to do in this aircraft is you're going to be able to do around 4 hours of flying with around 2,000 pounds of people, bags, and pilots inside. That would be a very maxed out type configuration or loading, and that would be 8 seats in the back of the aircraft and sitting a 9th passenger in the co-pilot seat, so 10 souls total on a trip like that. A lot of people call it the turbine suburban. It can go on grass at 2,000 feet long strips. It can go on 10,000 feet long, runways going into large metropolitan areas, and it can fit in all places in between. The aircraft has a range of around 1,500 nautical miles. It's certified up to 30,000 feet, and it cruises at around 310 miles per hour. The engine that the Pilatus PC-12 has a Pratt & Whitney PT6-67 Papa, which produces 1,800 thermodynamic horsepower, and it's derated to 1,200 horsepower continuous at the prop.
And what we're looking at here is that 4-bladed metal Hartzell prop.
Correct. Fully reversible, automatic prop governor, so the aircraft itself maintains 1,700 RPMs. The pilot has no control over that. The airplane does it automatically for the pilot.
The PC-12NG also has a high-lift wing for exceptional short-field performance, certification for flight into known icing conditions, and a state-of-the-art Honeywell Primus Apex avionics system.
Radar out on the wingtip?
Yes, sir. Yeah, and the interesting thing is that, on a single-engine aircraft, it always wants to turn left, right, because of the P factor. So Pilatus Engineering put drag, obviously this is a drag component, and they put it on the farthest right side of the aircraft.
So is it true you can't make a bad landing with trailing link gear?
That landing gear is the same size tire as the Cessna Caravan. It's a low-pressure tire. It was designed for unimproved strips, gravel, rock, riverbeds, you name it, and it makes it very, very challenging to make a bad landing.
So what is that material?
That's a carbon fiber material, and Pilatus Engineering put carbon fiber materials in the non-critical areas to make sense for a weight standpoint.
Category and class of airplane, I got to say, it's one of the more solid doors I've seen.
It really makes it nice and easy for folks to get in and out of because it is counterweighted. They don't have to worry about slipping, falling, having their foot go through the actual stairs itself in similar aircraft, and it's part of the whole package of a large cabin aircraft.
And part of the whole package on the flight line is getting a flight demonstration. And we had Don demonstrate some of the features inside the ultra-modern cockpit of the PC-12NG.
Good afternoon, Minneapolis Center. Pilatus 32 November Golf is with you, descending 10,300 for 6,000.
What does the next generation of Pilatus look like?
Well, I think, first of all, we're sitting in the next generation aircraft, which is why they call it the NG. So they started this project in around 2000. Pressurization's automatic. Turning on and off avionics buses and generators are automatic, and correspondingly automatic on the shutdown. My joke was that in another 10 years, we won't even get to fly the darn thing. You know as well as anybody, Paul, that flying airplanes and aviation in general is a combination of, lift, drag, thrust, and weight. And if If you want to go faster, you got to give something up. If you want to carry a lot of weight, you got to give something up. It's a yin and yang and a physics problem. And the PC-12 has traditionally been one of the best examples of maximizing all those forces and factors, okay?
I noticed that you're manipulating it with some kind of a device here. Tell me about a little bit what that's called and what it does.
Well, it's called a cockpit cursor device. In normal terms, it's a mouse, like a computer. So I can navigate through all the screens and have a button on the side that will take my cursor to the different screens. I also have a joystick here that will perform the same function. It's slick.
The PC-12 is definitely slick, as well as modern, rugged, and versatile. And it runs like a Swiss watch.